In the 1960s, Italy, and specifically Rome, experienced a period of significant social and economic change. The post-war era had brought about reconstruction, industrialization, and a newfound sense of optimism. The lifestyle of people in Rome during this time reflected a balance between tradition and modernization, with a backdrop of outstanding architectural monuments that have defined the city for centuries. Daily life in Rome in 1960 was deeply influenced by cultural traditions and familial ties. The Italian family structure was central, and extended families often lived together or in close proximity. The importance of family dinners and gatherings was a cherished aspect of Italian life, with meals often becoming elaborate affairs featuring homemade pasta, fresh vegetables, and locally sourced ingredients. Despite the economic challenges that still lingered from the aftermath of World War II, there was a strong sense of community, and Romans took pride in their city's rich history. Fontana del Tritone, a Baroque masterpiece sculpted by Gian Lorenzo Bernini in the 17th century. The fountain features a powerful Triton figure blowing water from a conch shell, symbolizing the strength of the Barberini family, for whom the fountain was commissioned. The Barcaccia fountain, designed by Pietro Bernini and his son Gian Lorenzo Bernini in the early 17th century, represents a sinking boat. It is characterized by its unique and whimsical design, depicting a half-sunken ship with water flowing from its sides. The fountain is located at the foot of the Spanish Steps and is an iconic landmark in the city. The Church of the Santissima Trinità dei Monti, often simply referred to as the Trinità dei Monti, is a renowned church located at the top of the Spanish Steps in Rome. While the church itself has a long history dating back to the 16th century, examining its state in the year 1960 provides insight into its significance and role in the city during that period. Constructed between 1502 and 1585, the Trinità dei Monti holds a commanding position overlooking the city of Rome. Its location atop the Spanish Steps, a grand staircase connecting the Piazza di Spagna below with the Trinità dei Monti, makes it a prominent landmark in the city. The Trevi Fountain, a masterpiece of Baroque art, was a focal point of Roman life in 1960. Visitors and residents alike were drawn to its grandeur and beauty. The tradition of tossing a coin into the fountain, ensuring a return to Rome, was a ritual embraced by many. The bustling atmosphere around the Trevi Fountain reflected the lively spirit of the city, where art, history, and everyday life converged seamlessly. Colosseum, or the Flavian Amphitheater, continued to stand as an iconic symbol of ancient Rome, a testament to the grandeur and engineering prowess of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum, located in the heart of Rome, was a central figure in the city's landscape and continued to captivate visitors from around the world. Constructed between AD 70 and 80, the Colosseum was an architectural marvel, designed to accommodate tens of thousands of spectators for various public spectacles, including gladiator contests, animal hunts, and mock sea battles. In 1960, despite the passage of nearly 2 millennia, the Colosseum retained its awe-inspiring presence, showcasing the durability and timelessness of Roman engineering and craftsmanship.